Welcome to another Sun Outdoors location. I'm Brian Hawkins. Let's go check out some vacation rentals. Everything on the exterior that I really like about this is the deck. Having an outdoor space that sits 2 to 4 people, having the fireplace, the TV in the background. Obviously, it's just a nice place to lounge, kind of take in the scene, check out all the pine trees everywhere. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, so as we walk in, I really like the open space. There's a few things that you don't normally have in a tiny home. One is a good amount of seating area, not normal. So having an actual table for 4 people to sit at is fantastic. The other is having enough leg room for a full-size couch, which also folds out into a bed, by the way. So you can sleep at least 6 people in this tiny home. So having the full couch, little end table here as well, or seating area. And then you have the galley kitchen as you walk through. So having full-size appliances, just like the range, microwave, fridge, the huge single basin sink as well definitely stands out because that's not normal in a tiny home either. Real wood cabinets throughout the home. There's actually a nice touch that's a little bit different in here versus a lot of different tiny homes as well, even within Sun Outdoors, is the combination of your pine and your drywall. So just having that half and half combo halfway up the wall there adds a little different texture, a little different feel to the home. But you keep those white walls throughout the entire home just to keep that open feel as well. And then plenty of natural light as you go through the home with all the picture windows and high windows that let that in too. So air conditioning and heating, really important out here with the decent amount of humidity that we have in South Carolina. There's a couple different mini splits. One is right in the living room, right behind you up on the wall. You have another one up here in the loft space. And then the third is in the main level bedroom down here as well for heating and air conditioning. So we'll start right here in this bedroom, pocket door for the second main level bedroom here. And you just have the one bed up top. Kind of looks like a bunk bed, but gives you a lot of storage underneath it. Second main level bedroom, as we walk in, has a queen size bed. Again, with the mini split right over the top of the bed, lots of light coming in through the window. End tables on both sides with outlets and USB outlets to charge your phones. And then you have storage for all of your bags. You have a place to hang clothes, everything else right inside here as well. You have plenty of room here, even for somebody like myself and my wife and our 4 kids. And then you have bathroom to the left. This is one other thing that's actually unique in a tiny home. You have a real bathtub inside a tiny home. So regular flushing toilet, great flow for water pressure, everything that you need in a tiny home, you're gonna have in here, even in the bathroom. And then up top in the loft space, you have another queen size bed that'll sleep 2 people with a couple of egress windows. So just in case somebody has to escape out there, there is a ladder that goes out that window. Heaven forbid something ever happens, but just in case, you do have access to get out of the house from the egress up there, which meets code too. This one has a rooftop deck, another covered porch out front. And one of the great things that I love about tiny homes every once in a while is you get some awesome French doors right out front. But as you walk in, you'll notice a little different layout here with the living room space, full couch, which also folds out into a bed. You can still sleep 6. Lounge chair, plenty of seating area for 4. The entertainment center really stands out. Aside from just the turtle itself, it's gotta be good luck, right, to rub the turtle? But the TV is nice. I really like the backdrop that they have set up here with the pine behind that. But so much natural light. You also still have the combo of the tongue roof pine with the drywall throughout the home. But then as we kind of cruise through, you have white cabinets, real wood cabinets, and then the full-size appliances again, microwave, range, fridge. Before we get down there, the bathroom is here, so pocket door getting in. It's a little different layout, but you have the standing shower, backsplash, vessel sink on top. I really like the layout of that one. That's kind of unique in a tiny home. A lot of custom homes will use that just because it kind of has that upscale look and feel to it. And then main level bedroom as we come through. Watch your head. I'm 6'4", it just happens. It's a tiny house, but you'll survive. I promise you, just watch your head. But as you come in, full king bed, which is also pretty rare in a tiny home. So it's nice to have a king size bed. My wife and I don't cuddle all night long. You don't have to tell everybody, but I promise it's not weird to not cuddle all night long. So it's okay to have a little bit of space. So king size bed, really like that. Also, when you travel with 4 kids in a tiny home, storage adds up in a hurry. So having an extra space like this closet, for example, on both sides of the entertainment center here, really nice to have an extra place to put your bags, your luggage, your shoes, whatever you bring with you for a couple days or a couple of weeks. Really nice touch in here as well. And then if you need a TV to just kind of lounge, always a nice option. As we head up to the loft space, this is where you have another queen size bed. And this is also where being 6'4" comes in handy, I promise. But you can actually get in here fairly easily. You still have plenty of headroom up here, but mini split for its own air conditioning and heating up here as well. Egress window, which is what you have the hooks there for, just in case there's a fire or any type of emergency, you have one more place you can get out if you can't get down the stairs. Sun Outdoors always has activities that are really good and family oriented for people. You have the arcade, basketball court, pickleball court, bowling alley, a full water park, 3 or 4 different pools, and then you have just regular playgrounds and jungle gyms for the kids to play on. For pet lovers, you have a dog park and a dog wash here on site. A lot of really cool walks and pathways as you kind of surround and wind in and out of the pine trees. You have mini golf, a little putt-putt there, and you have some world-class golf courses within 20 minutes. You got a full restaurant and dining hall if you have a large party or a family gathering or family reunion on site, they can hold you here as well. You're only about 20 minutes away from Myrtle Beach too, so if you want to get some real sun in, that's the place. Thanks for joining us at another Sun Outdoors location. Follow us along to the next spot.